Okay, in this video I'm going to show you how our thoughts really impact on our life. Now, do you ever have negative thinking? Do you imagine, what if this is going to happen? What if I fail? What if I look stupid? Well, this video is for you. Our thoughts really impact our life. Now, if you consider negative thinking like a small child, a 5-year-old child, and whatever you say to them, they'll believe you. Imagine a 5-year-old child right now, and you say to them, you won't do this, you won't do that, you can't do this, you'll never be anything like that, you never grow up to be anybody else and stuff like that, or be strong or be good at what you do. I wonder if that kid would actually go to school. Now consider an adult, because you're doing the same thing. Our brains cannot tell the difference between what is real or imagined. So that part of our mind that you're making yourself frightened, you're doing it to that 5-year-old child, but you're also making yourself frightened too. So as you consider our thoughts here, the best way to do this is look for the evidence. Is it happening right now, that negative thought? Like, for example, what if I fail? So check in. Where's the proof? Have I failed before? And you'll notice when you'll never find the evidence. You may have failed before, but I mean, it doesn't mean to say it's going to happen again. Because when people fail, they learn. So you can always say, well, I may have failed before, but I've now learned this, and it changes it completely. You'll always find a positive to counteract that negative. Now I'm sharing a form that I advise people to do, and if you do it on a daily basis, you can actually challenge that thinking. Because when you challenge your thinking, don't take it as fact, then suddenly you can live in the now. When you live in the now, these things won't affect you, and you'll notice your anxiety calms down because basically it's not real.